Things I don't regret buying. Number 5, this book entitled Atomic Habits. This will help you improve your habits and get 1% better every day. Kahit na small improvements daily, you will still get good results. So backstory muna, this book first time kong nabasa 8 to 9 years ago. Yun yung time na starting ako sa corporate, early years of my working career. And during that time, naghahanap talaga ako ng way, paano nga ba mag-improve? Paano ba ma-promote agad? Paano ba magkaroon ng increase agad sa sahod? So yun talaga yung mindset ko that time. Ano yung pwede kong gawin para mag-improve yung sarili ko para mas maging better? So this book actually helped me with that, helped me with my mindset. So that time, ang nasa isip ko talaga ay for work or for career. Ano yung mga trainings kong pwedeng attendan, ano yung mga certificate ko na pwede makuha. Pero actually, this book pala is not just for work or career. Makaka-help siya sa lahat ng aspect of your life. Fitness, health, and any kind of goals na gusto mong ma-achieve. This would help you change and improve your habits and get 1% better every day. Ang isang key point rin dito sa book. So instead of focusing doon sa mismong goal mo, ano ba yung baby steps or processes para ma-achieve yung goal na yon? So yun yung systems or habits na kailangan mo para ma-achieve yung mga result or goal na gusto mo. So basically yung habits na yon ang makaka-help para ma-achieve yung goals mo. Dahil sobrang consistent mo, tuloy-tuloy yung good habits mo, hindi mo na lang mapapansin na achieve mo na pala yung goals mo at actually higit pa. So kung gusto mo maging better version of yourself, I suggest you buy and read this book. And ang tanging comparison lang na masasabi ko for you is be better than yourself today than yesterday.